Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing, or actually I'm going to be decluttering and organizing my phone with you guys. So a few months back, I did a what's on my iPhone 11 Pro video, so I will link that for you guys on the screen, and also I will link it in my description, of this video, so that you can check that out as well. So I hope you're having a beautiful day or night, and let's get started on with the video. So first things first, I'm gonna delete the apps that I don't use. I literally, there's a few I would say that I don't use. So I'm just gonna hold and edit home screen so that I can look through these. There's some that I recently downloaded too, like in this page right here, in the second page. But I'm just gonna go through and delete. I definitely use my messages and all that stuff. I'm gonna go through health right here. I don't use these all the time. I haven't used Headspace, to be honest, so I don't think we need that. I really don't. I don't feel like I'm gonna use that in a very long time. I haven't used Full Fitness in so long, you guys, so we're gonna get rid of that. I really don't use it a lot. I do use Flow. It's a great period app for those of you interested, and All Trails I do use as well. Let's go into the social media apps. So we have lots of social media things. So I definitely use most of these, I would say. We're gonna hold again. Let me see. Edit home screen. Okay. And I tend to use all of these, to be honest, so we're gonna go on this one. I don't use story art. I literally do not use that. I never click on it. I don't use Made either as well, so we're gonna delete that. I definitely use Unim, Unfold, and InStory, so I'm gonna keep those. Then we're gonna go out here. I have the YouTube app. I definitely use all three of these, so we're gonna keep that. And let's go into this travel folder. We're gonna delete, let's see. Okay, I don't really use DoorDash, to be honest. I downloaded it and used it once, so we're gonna delete that. I really don't use it. And Venmo, Lyft, Airbnb, Yelp, we're gonna keep those just in case. I might not use Lyft for a very long time. I haven't. I really don't use it unless I'm like traveling. Okay, we don't use it, so we're just gonna delete it. I need to let go. Like literally. So I'm gonna let that one go, and we're gonna keep Airbnb and Yelp and Venmo because I do use those. We're gonna move on to the next page and go into this random folder. So I don't use the news app. I really don't. I just don't use it at all. We're gonna keep the health app, I guess the health app wallet, and Find My iPhone and Apple Store are not deletable. Is that the word? I rarely use Facetune, but I do like to keep it just in case I might need it. I do like Call Protect. It definitely has helped me from scamming calls and all that stuff, so we're gonna keep that. I'm gonna delete Clips because I don't find myself using that or the Apple Store. We're gonna delete Pages. I don't use iMovie on my phone, I really don't, and Numbers, I don't use that either. Shortcuts, I don't use it. I tried it, but it's not working out for me, so it's just kind of sitting there. I guess we'll keep that little Instagram followers. So this little work folder, I do use all of that, so we're gonna keep, close this. Okay, wait, I'm getting lost, wait. Okay, moving on to this little random bunch of apps that I've recently downloaded. So we're gonna delete Marco Polo. I really don't use that. I only had it because of one friend, and we don't use it that much lately, so I'm just gonna delete it. I do not use Google Calendar. I tried it, but it's not working out for me. I just need to write things down instead of putting them in my calendar. I definitely use Citizen. It is a great app, and Amazon Alexa. I don't use podcast a lot, but I love listening to podcasts. I just tend to rely on Spotify for that. So we're gonna keep it just cause we're gonna keep it. I recently downloaded YouTube Tracker, but I haven't looked into it. I literally have not made an account or anything, so I think I'm going to delete YouTube Tracker, to be honest. So we're gonna delete that. We're gonna also delete PlantSnap. Planta I do want to use to remind myself of when to water plants. I definitely want to get more plants, so we're gonna keep that. And Creative Cloud we don't need. I just needed that on my iPad, so I think that just kind of automatically added on here. So those are basically the apps that I don't need. So we're gonna do a little change up in here. We're going to go into Pinterest, and we're gonna find us a little cute new home screen. I love to find wallpapers on Pinterest, so we're gonna go in here. I have this little folder full of wallpapers, phone wallpapers that I save on here for whenever, so we're gonna change it up, and I'm gonna find another one. Okay, I'm gonna try this one out right here. I'm gonna download this one, And I'm gonna download another one. I usually tend to download a few just so that I like can try different ones and see which one I might like. So this one as well. So we're gonna download those. If you guys want to follow me on Pinterest, definitely feel free to do so. It is linked in my bio, or not in my bio. It will be linked in the description, but also you can just look up my name as well. Okay, so I selected and went with this one. So I really like kind of like the lighter colors in here as my background. So we're gonna keep that one, and now we're gonna go through organizing the applications. And first, I really want to go through my notifications. So I don't like getting notified for a lot of things. Actually, I have notifications off for Instagram just because I just felt like it was just best for me to not have notifications on. So I liked having that, to be honest. So I'm really been considering lately how I should really have notifications off for a few more apps possibly. So we're gonna go to notifications and settings, and we're just gonna go through and see which ones we might just not need notifications. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off notifications for some of these. I feel like they're just not all necessary, so we're gonna turn most of these off. Actually, I really don't think that it's necessary to have all of these on. I'm gonna keep those. That's work. I'm gonna keep that. Calendar, I really don't think we need that. Call protect. Yeah, I can definitely see a lot of these we don't need notifications from. Or sounds. Oh my gosh, like sometimes I'll have my phone vibrating and then it'll like be like popping up so many notifications and sounds that it really just, it's a lot. So we're gonna go through and just organize the look of this whole iPhone and kind of make it look a little bit more organized and minimal, because I really don't want to be feeling like I have too many applications on here. So we're gonna go through these folders and kind of organize. I have this thing with color where I look, I just want things to be visually appealing in terms of like whether the colors flow together and all that stuff. So if you notice this, I kind of go and start with green and then kind of move into the similar colors next to each other. It's super weird. It might be weird, but it just, I need things to be like looking like visually appealing. I'm so weird. Like if you do this, please let me know in the comments. I currently have 4,292 photos in my camera roll. So let me know how many photos you have. I would love to know because I'm so curious, you guys. It's just crazy how much I have on my phone. It's insane. So I will talk to you guys in my next video, and I hope you have a beautiful day and night. Bye guys.